Marineland, located in Niagara Falls, Canada, as of October 2024. Marineland shut down for its final operating season under current ownership as of this year. Amusement insiders and other creators have wildly been speculating about the park's future. From Hershey, Six Flags Entertainment, all the way to wild speculation of Universal Studios. While a lot of this seems crazy, the price tag speculated to be associated with the sale of the park is what intrigues many. A speculated $200 million is what's been placed on the park listed as for sale. Marineland, the asset, was passed down to Marie Holler after her late husband passed away. Marie vowed change and promised a future transitioning away from animal ownership that never came to fruition. Sadly, after the 2022 season, Marie Holler is speculated to have made the tough decision to seek new ownership. The park went up for sale discreetly, and talks began with vendors and chains across North America. It is speculated a decision and final process was in the works for the sale of Marineland, but sadly Marie Holler passed away as of September 2024. This raises a lot of concern and questions, especially among those in the theme park and roller coaster enthusiast community. While many of you whom are seeking answers on what's happening with the park and its future and clicking videos and articles online about the park and its animals, we would like to take the time to remind you everything you read and listen to online isn't necessarily true. One common rumor you might have heard is the park has begun getting rid of some of its land animals. This simply isn't true as of yet, and we're closely monitoring the situation and all resources available locally for any answers that may arise to the future of this park. One questionable sign about the future of Marineland and its future stems with them laying off the maintenance and rides team, while the park and rides appear to be left stranded and only half packed up. Anyone whom understands rides and maintenance knows that this is not good for the longevity of the ride's overall lifespan. With the passing of Marie Holler, this now leaves a lot of gray area on what the future of Marineland will be. Will it continue to be sold off as a theme park to another theme park operator? Will it sit abandoned and unsold? Or will it be sold for more land value for residential or business use? One thing's for certain, we will be keeping a close eye on this park and providing updates as we learn them. Hit subscribe to stay in the know on Marineland and its downfall.